Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve or fix the CXUIU service high CPU usage on your Windows computer. So the CXUIU service is the CONSAT Smart Audio Universal Service, part of the CONSAT audio driver that can be found in the most laptops from manufacturers like HP and Lenovo. Primarily, function is to handle various audio-related capabilities including sound effects and settings device, and the root cause are usually related to outdated or corrupt CONSAT audio driver, conflicts between applications, and the third-party software. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to end the CXUIU service process and task manager. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the blank space area dito sa taskbar, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus Shift plus Escape. So right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And once na-open mo na tong Task Manager, ang next step, so dito lang sa Processes tab, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung CXUIU service. So iselect mo lang siya or i-locate mo lang siya. For example, select and right-click. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung End Task. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. So once nagawa mo na dito sa Task Manager, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable the CXUIU service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung CONSAT Smart Audio Universal Service. Alright? So for example, na-locate mo na yung CONSAT Smart Audio Universal Service. So select and right click and then select mo lang dito yung properties. And dito lang sa general properties, dito lang sa startup type. So iselect mo lang dito yung disabled. And then, dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung stop. And then, dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang click dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. And the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the CONSAT audio driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na davmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword davmgmt.msc, that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na itong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sound, video, game controller. So, kailangan natin i-select dito yung sound, video, and game controllers. So, yung mga listed na audio drivers dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-update, most especially yung CONSAT audio. So, ang gagawin natin dito is select and right-click, and itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. And then, i-select mo lang dito yung search automatically. So, i-click mo lang yan. And wait natin, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito, and the last solution na pwede natin gawin is to reinstall the Windows audio components. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung turn Windows features on or off. So i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na itong Windows features on or off, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung media features. So kailangan mo lang itong i-recheck. So recheck and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix CXUI EU service high CPU usage in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.